You know what this proverb means? It means that every small contribution can add up to a big difference. Wagwan this and that family. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share 5 Jamaican proverbs with you that will inspire you or even make you laugh. So, grab a cup of Blue Mountain coffee and let's sit back and dive in. The first proverb is one cocoa, full basket. Before I continue, comment below and tell me, have you ever heard that Jamaican proverb? And if you have heard it, what do you think it means? Comment below. Let me know. You know what this proverb means? It means that every small contribution can add up to a big difference. It's like when you're cooking up some curry goat and you add a little thyme, you add a little garlic, you add a little pepper, you add a little curry. Each ingredient may seem small, but when you add it together, it makes a nice, big, tasty pot of curry goat. It creates a magic of flavors. The second proverb is, walk good, no watch no face. Comment below and let me know, have you ever heard this Jamaican proverb? And if you have heard it, comment and tell me, what do you think proverb number 2 means? This proverb is all about the attitude, man. It means you should stay focused on your own journey and don't worry about what others think. Just like when you're dancing to your favorite reggae tune, you shouldn't worry about people. Just let the music move you, man. One love, yeah. One heart. All right. So let's go now to proverb number 3. Every mickle make a muckle. Have you ever heard this one before? Comment below. Tell me if you ever heard it before. And if you have ever heard it, what does it mean? What do you think it means? Why you think it means? This proverb is all about the power of saving and being frugal. It's like when you're cooking up a big pot of rice and peas and you save the leftover rice to make a nice pot of fried rice the next day. Every little bit counts, man. Every little bit counts. Proverb number 4 says, softly, softly catch a monkey. Have you ever heard this proverb before? Comment below. Let me know. And is it the first you're hearing it? If not, what do you think this proverb means? No, this proverb is all about patience and perseverance. It means that sometimes you have to take things slow in order to achieve your goals. Just like when you're trying to catch that slippery fish in the river. And you gotta be very gentle, or guess what? You will scare it away. So you have to be very patient. Yes, man, this is a lovely one, you know. It's a lovely one because Jamaica is a culture of fast moving things, you know. And we want it now, and we want it fast. But you just have to be patient. It's like me. All my life I've wanted to become a recording artist, you know. When I was a teenager, I dreamt about it. And it was only when I became 40 years old that the door was open. So I had to be patient and wait for the perfect timing. Yeah? Comment below. Do you have a situation where you have to be patient and just take it slow in order to achieve? Anyways, let's move on now to proverb number 5. Proverb number 5 says, take your time, no rush. This proverb is all about living life on your own pace, man. It means that you shouldn't rush through life, but instead, take your time to enjoy the journey. Just like when you're sipping some nice soursop juice and you just take your time, a day hot and it nice and cool, you don't have to rush. Just take your time and sip your soursop juice. Some of the men love sip on a red stripe. So just like when you not sip on a red stripe, when you take on the time and just sip your red stripe. Oh yeah, sip one nice cup of ginger tea. No rush, man. Enjoy it. Sip after sip after sip. Take your time. Yeah? One thing with we Jamaicans, we have a medicine everywhere. People who know what this name, comment below and let me know. Tell me if you know what this is. Boy, some not true. Or why good for again? Comment below and tell me why good for. Thanks for tuning in, this and that family. I hope these 5 Jamaican proverbs inspired or motivated you in some ways. I hope they motivate you to live your best life. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment so I can talk to you in the comment section. Until next time. What good? No watch no face.